Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to your 360 photo booth favorite channel. I'm just kidding. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's good to have you here. If it's your very first time here on this channel, welcome. My name is David. I'm a 360 photo booth operator. I have a 360 photo booth business, and I've made this channel so that I can start creating a community of 360 photo booth operators that are gonna basically, we're striving for the same goal. That's to have a successful 360 photo booth business. And so this channel is here to help you guys out, acquire and attain that goal. Now, some of you guys already know I've been talking to SnapPix, and I've been working with TouchPix since I started my 360 photo booth journey. So I want to show you guys a quick email that I sent to SnapPix, and I'm going to show it to you. I got to meet some of the staff members. Let me show you the video I sent over to SnapPix. Give me one sec. I'll pull it up. I wrote out to them, goes, "Hello, Julio. I must admit this application is packed with some really cool effects. However, the challenge is that it requires lots of processing power, but newer phones and iPads with stronger processors will eventually help render these files faster." On another note, my audience is expressing that these 360 software apps are too expensive for them, especially after they have just purchased their first 360 booth. My new followers from Latin America are feeling the same way. What can SnapPix offer my community of 360 photo booth operators as far as promo codes to help them get the app at a discounted rate? I am sure once their business picks up, they will be able to afford to pay your standard price once they have several bookings lined up. That was my email to them. I hope they can see the bigger picture and see it as a business. Because if I was a big business like them, I would say, hey, there's a piece of the pie, and yes, we have a decent chunk of the pie, but what if we start focusing on a audience that's newer to the industry and can possibly be a long-term loyal customer to us? Of course, I would drop the price and make it more affordable for our newer 360 photo booth operators to achieve, because with that, they'll be able to be more confident and the business would help a lot more. Because think about it, as a 360 photo booth operator, let's just say you're charging $250 an hour, and say, for example, you spend like $69 just on the app for that event, or say $50 to $60. That just took a big chunk of your profit away just using their software, and I really don't think it's feasible. I don't think for us 360 photo booth operators, I don't think we should tolerate that. It doesn't make any sense. It's just not, I don't understand that part of the business. We're gonna mess around and start our own 360 photo booth application if you guys don't drop the prices for us. Thank you very much. Okay, so that's the email I sent out to them. And then here's a video of me talking to SnapPix team member when I was trying to get more familiar on how to create an event. Let me show you guys. I'll play that for you right now. I'm on the SnapPix dashboard right now, Amir, and for today's call, what I just want to accomplish is the very, very simple, practical process of just creating an event as a 360 photo booth operator. From there, I can always dive back in there and mess with the settings and try to get familiar with all of the effects, the layers, and all that great stuff. But for now, if you can just please help me set up it. So that was me. I spent about almost a full hour with them on the phone. I tried creating an event on my own. It was complicated, so I reached out to them and we were able to get on a phone call together. And still to this point, and this is why I'm updating you guys right now, is I haven't really got familiar to a point where I can teach it to you guys. So once I'm confident that I know how to navigate and I know how to explain things clearly and I get lost while trying to explain something, I'm gonna put out a video on how to create an event on SnapPix. If you guys want to go to their YouTube page, I think you just type in SnapPix and check out their videos. They released the video that I seen during the Masterclass last Wednesday. I think it was April the 6th. And they're just touching the surface of the features. So that video is going to be somewhat helpful. Another thing I want to share with you guys is, guess who pulled up to the channel? Guess who pulled up to the channel, guys? So TouchPix. I posted great content 52 minutes ago. So the channel has gotten TouchPix attention. And so here's a message for TouchPix. TouchPix, if you're watching this video, me and hundreds of other 360 photo booth operators would absolutely love it and really appreciate it from the bottom of our heart and wallet if you guys can make the app a little bit more affordable for other people in other countries. Because, we like your app. It's easy to use. But just maybe drop the price a little bit. Or contact me on my email and let us know if there's a way that you guys can provide us with like a special discount code where we can get some of these newer 360 photo booth operators on that application at a discounted rate. Very much appreciated. Thank you, TouchPix. If you guys also feel the same way, go ahead and comment down below and just write, type in TouchPix discount. Yeah, hashtag TouchPix discount. Let's do that. Let's see if we can get TouchPix's attention and get discounted rate on their app. Sounds good? All right, cool. So I really believe that there is strength in numbers. So if you guys, our community is growing. I want to say that we gained about 400 followers in just 1 month. And I'm grateful for everyone jumping on and interacting, because I think in numbers we can make a difference. If we can reach out to these humongous giant application development companies and ask them to help us with the price so that our business can grow, and if our businesses grow, of course, what else are we going to use? We're going to continue using the product, so their product is going to continue to be stable and be used on a regular basis by all these operators, right? That's the way I see it. So one thing I want to show you guys on this video is I had a guy, Latin America is also tuning in. In fact, there is a channel on, and I'll show you guys, there's a channel on Facebook, there's a group, it's called Latin X Photo Booth. I love their display right here. You guys can see I love the colors they used. I joined their group just a couple of days ago. Cindy Morales, saludos. Very, very nice to meet you online. She wrote, I found this gem on TikTok, but from the looks of it, this creator has a YouTube channel, an IG profile where he is documenting and sharing his journey as a 360 photo booth owner. And then I scroll down, and as I'm scrolling down, it's like, who is this handsome man? And I was just it put a huge smile on my face to see my video on someone else's group. So thank you, Latinx photo booth owners. Thank you, Cindy, for finding me and not just acknowledging my work, but having the heart to post me on your channel. This video is dedicated to you guys. I come from a Latin background, so I know that as Latinos, we're hardworking, and if we can really take our time and put it into a passion where we're compensated, beautifully, and it doesn't require hard labor, the 360 photo booth industry is definitely a path that a lot of us can take. Also, people are reaching out from the motherland, Africa. So what's up, Africa? Also from the UK, getting people from Germany, Australia as well. So the channel is continuously growing, and it wouldn't mean a lot if it was just me talking to this phone. And so now that I get to look back, I see some of you guys that been with me from the jump. Like, they've been with me since I started recording back in late January when I'll show you guys right here. I want to show you this. This is me right here. This is your 360 photo booth host, David Rodriguez. When I first got my 360 photo booth, I dragged the huge heavy flight case all by myself. I'm pretty sure I messed up the wheels on this rough terrain right here, but I had to strike a sexy pose, as you guys can see right here with my Canary Capital Rentals, and I put my little barcode on there so people could just scan it, and that would take them directly to my website. I don't have this logo anymore. I do have something in store for you. I got some crazy cool surprises, guys. Stay tuned in. So that's me. And then I have, what else I have to share with you guys? This is my booth when I ordered it from Cindy. So Cindy sent me a couple of photos and a video of my 360 photo booth, and I was like, oh shit, my dream was just becoming a reality. It was materializing. This vision of mine was materializing, and none of my family members knew what I was up to. I was just constantly on my laptop, working on my website, working on ideas, looking for products to put into my 360 photo booth setup that was going to enhance the presentation, I was just going to work. I have no friends, guys. You guys are my only homies. I really don't have any friends. You realize that the entrepreneurship road can be quite lonely sometimes, and that's because a lot of people don't see your vision. They might not understand you, or they're just not vibrating at that frequency where they feel your passion as an entrepreneur. So wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope that these words and my life inspires you. In fact, if you guys look right here on job offer, I got a job offer from a company, and they were their offer was 55,000. That was just to start off, and this did not include any upsells and commissions, and the benefits package was amazing. I turned it down. One, because my mother is ill and I needed to have more flexibility to look after my mother. She's in her final days. So this channel has really kept me, it's been a place where I can feel like I'm doing something special. My mom always wanted me to do something great, and I didn't do too well in my marriage. I'm divorced, but I've been hustling and striving since. I'm a single parent. There's a lot of things that going on in the background of this channel, and I never stopped being grateful for all of these things. So I just wanted to share my life with you guys, and I hope that you guys can understand that I'm doing my best. I'm a one-man band right now, so if you guys ever want to jump in and help me out answering questions and stuff like that, I would really appreciate it. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Please subscribe and like the video so the algorithm acknowledges that we're doing some things on this side. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.